Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Bad breath. Ingredients: 1/4 cup fresh or 1 tablespoon dried peppermint leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 5 whole cloves, and 1 cup of water. Instructions: in a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add the fennel seeds, peppermint leaves, and the whole cloves. Reduce the heat low and simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove from the heat, cool, and strain to remove the solids from the liquid. You can transfer this to a clean jar or a bottle and store in the fridge to keep it fresh for up to 1 week. How to use. Use this herbal mouthwash to gargle with for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then spit it out. Do not swallow it. You can use this mouthwash 1 to 2 times daily, especially after meals or whenever you need to just freshen your breath. How it works. Peppermint contains menthol, which provides a cooling sensation and also freshens the breath. Fennel seeds contain enethol, which is known for its ability to fight bacteria and fungus in the mouth. It also gives a sweet aroma that can be pleasing and mask bad smells. Last but not least, clove contains eugenol, which works as an antibacterial to kill unwanted pesky bacteria and provide a cleaner mouth with a spicy flavor that has a nice aroma to improve the smell of bad breath. When combined, they all work great. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for new content added daily.